Welcome to this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use your voicemail on your Polycom phone. To set up your voicemail, press the envelope button. Press the Connect soft key. This connects you with your voicemail. Follow the prompts to set up your voicemail. The default passcode for AT&T Collaborate is 288-9647. Follow the prompts to change your passcode. To retrieve your voicemail, follow the previous steps to access your mailbox and enter your passcode when prompted. Note: if you have other line appearances, choose the line of the voicemail you'd like to hear. To retrieve your voicemail from an outside phone, dial your direct number. When the voicemail answers, press the star key and follow the prompts. Thanks for watching this AT&T Collaborate video tutorial.